Here you are on the go with Little Gretchen's workshop. We're on the way to the Ann Arbor Miniature Show in Ann Arbor, Michigan. I'm taking you along and I'm going to show you what I did there. Good morning, dolls. We're here at the Ann Arbor Miniature Show. You're here with Little Gretchen, and so we're going in.
The choices aren't as.
See if I pull your number. If so, it's for one.
Now, dolls, this was a really wonderful display by our artist. Her first name was Gail. I don't remember her last name. Gail, if you're watching this video, definitely comment in the comments below, just so I'll know your name. I just really enjoyed talking to you and seeing the beautiful settings and creations that you showed me. Gail is into Trash to Treasure miniatures as well, and we're actually from the same hometown of Detroit. So it was really, really nice meeting her and seeing the beautiful things. That's a petite princess room, but a lot of the things in there, again, she assembled and made herself. Just beautiful, beautiful, beautiful settings. Just, I love the realism. I love the creativity. How she infused, like I said, existing miniatures with her own creations. And that's something I really love, dolls. So I just wanted you all to just see really all the beautiful things she's done. She's won awards doing what she does. And she even gave me some free things to take along with me and showed me and told me how to use them to create miniatures. So she's a very sweet and generous lady. I totally enjoyed meeting her and talking to her about her art. Now, none of her items were for sale. Like I said, everything was for display, and there are some of her ribbons. Again, she was showing me some of the things she used to make some of the lovely miniatures she makes. So, yeah, it was just a wonderful experience. And I really appreciate my daughter doing this footage for me, getting the pictures and doing this video. So I do appreciate it and hope she was able to capture some things so you all could get a feel for what we were looking at that day. And look, she even did some perfume bottles. Yeah, great minds think alike, dolls. Okay, dolls, I've had a wonderful time at the Ann Arbor Miniature Show. Got a bag of goodies, and I'm going to show you these in my haul in the next video. So make sure you're tuned in to Little Gretchen's Workshop. Bye-bye now, dolls.